Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing fantastic today. We are in a very good mood. This is day 2 here in Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. We have gathered the top jury here on stage, but also connected. And now let's move up directly to South Africa to have a short conversation with Thibaut Guillaume. Thibaut, how are you doing this morning?
Look, I'm extremely happy to join you guys. I'm in a very good mood, not only today, but every time, I can develop the concept that I've been sharing with you, Marc-Lionel. And look, it's in a very positive manner that I'm about to explain you what we do and to show you a way to develop the technologies in South Africa, in the southern region. Okay?
Yeah, definitely. Karine, please turn off your microphone right now. Welcome. So, Thibaut, I'm definitely happy that you are working with us to build up and to extend my Global Village network to South Africa, and that you will help some of those technologies. Please, est-ce qu'on peut, Karine, est-ce qu'on peut te mettre en mute parce que tu apparais à l'écran? Voilà. Alors, est-ce qu'on peut couper l'iPhone de Karine, s'il vous plaît? Voilà. Alors, okay, very much happy to be connected. Guillaume, Thibaut, excuse me, you are located in South Africa. You are organizing very interesting events, and we'll talk about that in 15 days because some of them are cultural. You also help people in the township to develop new economic model. We will talk about all your projects that are definitely amazing. Let's talk about it in 15 days when we will be connected in Austin, Texas for South by Southwest, my Global Village. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being one member of the jury. We also have 4 members of the jury here on stage. Hi guys, how are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Fine. Newcomers in the village circle. Nadine, you are representing Brittany, which is one of the major regions in France. One word, 1 second for Brittany.
Brittany is a region where there are a lot of companies in the digital industry and the IoT industry and security industry. So that's a great area to come.
Yes, definitely. For Softlander, if you want to choose one of the major IoT and security territories, please do connect with Nadine. Hi, Christian. You are our international connector. Introduce yourself. Introduce to us what you're doing for winners here to extend our activities throughout Germany.
Hello. Yes, my company is ABD-TI. I'm a growth accelerator for companies, mostly in Germany, but also in Austria, Switzerland, and other countries.
Danke sehr, danke schön, Herr Dr. Melin. Laetitia, welcome on board, welcome. You're representing Provence Promotion, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, you are, and you're gonna offer to the winner a super welcome pack, is that right?
Yes.
I know that you are fluent in English, so I will stop right now, but we are very proud that you accept to attend to the jury. Last but not least is representing Belgium, Bologna, but even Brussels. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Denis Bonneau. I'm working for Agoria, it's the federation of the technological company in Belgium. And I'm working also on the Walloon regions of the French-speaking region for the digital sector.
Thank you very much, Denis. Just quick thanks to Guy, to Gilles, to Caro, and to all the AWEX team that are here. And of course, a super thank you to La French Tech Business Hall that do host this year my Global Village pitching and connecting event. Everything is all right, guys. I think it's time to go on to the competition and to discover all the tremendous candidates. We're going to have 10 or 11 candidates. If one of its candidates catch up in time, it's Tucana. We're not sure. He had a problem with its plane, so we definitely hope he will be with us on time. But the first one is curling. So please, ladies and gentlemen, give a very warm applause to the first candidate. Curling SA, please come along. Hi. Okay, we are very good. So you know now how it goes. You have 90 seconds to convince the jury. 5 candidates. After you stick up here because we're going to have questions. So prepare the question for the candidate and then, of course, the result. Go ahead. Any slides? No? Okay. Your turn. Go ahead.
Hello, everybody. Really happy to be here. I'm from Curlink, and what Curlink is specializing is, of course, IoT infrastructure. And what I'm particularly here to present is a very big breakthrough, which is this very small and miniaturized gateway. Curlink is specializing into IoT infrastructure, outdoor, etc., for all kinds of applications. But what happens if an industrial, someone who works in smart building, only has a few isolated sensors and does not wish to invest a whole lot of money, but does not have the budget to have tens of thousands of euros to spend in order to make that IoT network? We have now the solution to go about this, as Curlink is the leader and one of the co-founders of the LoRa Alliance for this type of gateway. We are building industrial grade and carrier grade gateways, and with this type of gateways, we will now be able to come into the household, come into the office building to enable all kinds of IoT services with a very limited infrastructure costs. So we are very excited to be here. We're going to have 2 different types of this gateway. So please stay tuned in the coming months as we will be launching a new version of this gateway for even more mobile connectivity and mobile applications.
Congratulations. 90 seconds, that's perfect. If you want to connect, you have a blue button here to remember. And of course, prepare your questions. It's going to be after 4 other pitching. Candidate number 2 is going to be BP's. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Anne-Pauline from BP's. Yes, very warm applause. Go ahead. That's your turn.
Okay, tell me when I can start.
You can.
Okay, great. So everybody, hello everybody. My name is Anne-Pauline from BP's. And I will introduce to you our lone worker app. So it means that any company who has worker working alone, even for 5 minutes or 3 hours, whatever, they're going to be able to use our lone worker app, available in more than 10 languages. And what does BP's do? It detects fallover, loss of verticality, but also immobility. So it's really important for the security in the company, because if anyone is having a trouble, then BP, thanks to the BP's app, you're going to be able to send the emergency and to give assistance to your worker. So it's definitely a good product, and which has many features. We are developing every 4 months new features, and we release them in some special edition. So we are really innovating all day long and working hard in tour in France. So I welcome you to contact us directly on our website, bpiz.com, BEEPIZ.com. In order to get in touch with our team, we will be glad to give you further information on our great product design in France. Thank you very much, guys. And
thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. BP's number 3 is Naki Power. Go ahead, that's your turn, Naki Powers.
Okay, can you hear me?
Definitely, we do.
Have a timer? You put a timer?
Oh, I can do it. I can do it. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Start. Hi. Do not buy this power bank. Why? At Naki, we encourage a collaborative economy, where goods are shared instead of compulsively bought and discarded after the first use. And our journey starts with power banks. Because far too often, we find ourselves into situations where we're in need of a charger and have compulsively bought a power bank, used it once, and left it in the drawer since then. And far too many times, we're receiving from big corporates as end-of-year gifts, disposable power banks or low-quality power banks. To fight this, we at Naki are building the largest power bank rental network in Europe. How does it work? You can locate our station thanks to our app. They are deployed across major European cities. Once you find a station, you scan the QR code with your smartphone camera to unlock the power bank. You charge your smartphones and pay as you go. And then you can return this power bank to any station of the network. Basically, you could grab a power bank here at our stand in Barcelona and return it to Brussels airport when you land back. Our goal is to be where you are and where you go, to allow you to access and return. Thank you.
Thank you very much. 1 minute.
I have 20 seconds. So my name is Zach. I'm co-founder and CEO of Nike Power. If you want to reach out, you can reach me out on LinkedIn. Thank you very
Good
much.
job, Zach. Thank you very much. Please stay here because maybe some questions will come right after. Number 4, who's going to be the next candidate? Tremendous questions. So it's going to be a remote candidate. Cubic, it's time to mute out your sound. Are you connected today? Kubrick, do you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
Yesterday we have a technical issue, but today we don't. So that's your turn.
Did you hear me? Did you hear me?
Yes, we do. And of course, if you have something to show, you can share your screen and start your pitching session remote.
It's okay?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. In 2010, the United Nations General officially recognized the right to safe water as human right. Lack of access to safe water kills more children every year than AIDS, malaria, and measles combined. From 2019, Kubrick.net presents Odyssey 2.0. It's the first digital marathon to provide safe water to everyone on Earth, thanks to Safe Water Cube Fountain. Today, 18 personalities has at the start of this humanitarian and artistic race online. Each personality realized in 52 minutes, with your help, unique artistic performance with their full sprint to participate symbolically in the Marathon Odyssey run to safe water. Each artistic performance will be helped to Safe Water Cube Fountain, which can provide safe water to the village of 1,000 people per day, including many children. The Safe Water Cube Fountain needs zero electricity, zero maintenance, zero chemical, zero CO2 production. The Safe Water Cube Fountain makes all surface safe water, river, ponds, well, and rain. In February 2022, Colette Maz, pianist at 107 years, yeah, you listen, 107 years, she is at the start of the first digital marathon of Odyssey 2.0, run safe water. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was the 4th candidate. Stay with us because maybe some questions will come pretty soon. The 5th candidate before a series of questions is here on stage. It's CE plus who? C plus T. C plus T, of course. Okay, you're now going to be connected. You know now the principle. Please see you on the camera here. You got your pitch here. You can start right now. Go ahead.
So, can you hear me?
We do. Go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. So, on behalf of CE plus T, let me introduce what we do about energy. Okay. So, energy costs account for about 5% expenditure to maintain the telecom networks. The data traffic is expected to rise exponentially in the next 10 years. And with the introduction of LTE, that is currently developing, plus the 5G upgrades, this electricity consumption is going to even further increase, probably by a factor of 3. The energy cost is also growing, and it's not a political situation that we all know that is going to reduce that pressure on the market. The telecom industry itself accounts for 2 to 3% of the global electricity consumption worldwide. And this increase, or the contribution of the telecom is in steady increase year after year. So there is definitely a move of the telecom operators towards decarbonization. And this move goes for efficiency, a better efficiency into the infrastructure, but also the introduction of more and more renewables. The consequence of that is cannot be ignored, because there are numerous instabilities and congestions that are created in the grid itself. So in CE plus T, we propose products that allow the utilities, so the electrical grid, and the mobile wireless to converge together. And you have a handshaking between the two networks in such a way that they provide a better compatibility.
That's very good. Thank you very much. That was our 5th candidate. So, dear jury members, any question for any candidates? About 3 or 4 minutes of questions. Go ahead, Christian.
I have a question for the last candidate.
Okay, come on. You're at the right place.
Yeah, regarding your implementation today.
Sorry, you said that again?
Regarding your implementation.
Yes, as a company?
Yeah.
Yeah, the company.
No. From your solutions.
So today we are making deployment in France, in Benelux, in Australia, and in the US, where we have converters that actually are at the node, at the intersection of the grid and the telecom networks, in such a way that we move the energy in the most efficient way.
Thank you very much. Another question for another candidate? Any question, Denis? No question for now? Laetitia, Nadine, no questions? Remote jury members? Any questions? Another question maybe for another candidate? Only one? Okay. Okay, so now let's move up to the second series of pitch. I'm calling here Synox, ladies and gentlemen. Synox, our 6th candidate, please. A very warm applause to Synox, please.
Hello.
Oh, thank you very much. That's your turn.
Thank you. So I go. Thank you for the time. I appreciate it really much to be here. So what is Synox? Synox is 600 clients, 80,000 connected devices all around the world, and we are specialized on edition and integrator of IoT solutions. So we have developed several platforms such as device and connectivity management, data visualization, so security management, and fleet management. So we are really specialized into IoT and we are really agnostic. We propose, and this is our strength, IoT, end-to-end IoT solution coming from the devices to the connectivity, to the software solution, and to the security. So we are proud to announce you that we are agnostic, that we are multi-tenant, that we are really scalable, and we can offer you a total IoT solution. And finally, if you are looking for indoor asset tracking, for example, or fleet management, or smart city solution, or smart transport solution, just call me. I'm Wally Churki, the business manager of Synox.
Thank you very much. Please, okay, it's got supporter. Okay, guys, next candidate is going to be the 7th candidate. It's IPOs. Okay, that's your turn, Betty.
Thank you. Okay, I'm here to show IPOs. This is the acronym of Internet Open and Open Source. And it's really important to understand which problem we solve. We talk about for some small operators, some ISP, they have some infrastructure problem to solve, like many interoperability between small guys and to exchange updates. They have many software to communicate. And we find this also solved contribution in optimization, the query, data query, to have a database with privacy, with anonymization for GDPR. And something really important, we develop a platform can really have a green tech approach. Reduce the energy with less repair of 35% to 40%. It's really important to transform, to construct now software and respect the environment. And this is really important for us to design products can help small operators and medium operators because you don't have the money to those and to have automatization solution like this. Process of work design like this change the life and facilitate the deployment of fiber for telecom operators.
Okay, thank you very much. Very good job. Okay, who's going to be the next candidate? I've heard that someone from Tucana has arrived, but not the official feature. So if that person can pitch, we will welcome. Otherwise, we won't be able to make Tucana pitch. Okay, Neuron Wireless is Neuron. Tucana is not now. It's free road. Okay, is Neuron Wireless with us? Neuron Wireless, go ahead. That's your turn. You got 90 seconds to pitch.
Bonjour la France, merci pour l'opportunité. My name is Denis Lambert. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Business Development at Neuron Wireless. Neuron is a fast-growing wholesale mobile operator. We target emerging markets in very remote areas of Africa, Latin America, and Asia. Since we own all of our technology, 2G, 3G, 4G, we've developed over the last 25 years, we've been highly successful selling it. But in 2020, we decided to tackle head-on the biggest challenge of the global market, which is the funding. So under our new Network as a Service program, we handle all of the CapEx and OpEx fees related to building and operating the network in rural areas. So from site surveys, acquisition, power construction, solar plant deployment, and of course, RAN and mobile network management. We do this on behalf of our customers, the likes of Orange and MTN. We do this under their brand. We do this from a business perspective under a revenue share model, which allows them to extend their coverage and achieve their expectations with the regulator without spending a single money. Since launching the program, we've secured contracts for 2,500 sites in 3 different African countries. We have a target of doing 10,000 sites in the next 5 years. And the most important aspect of it all is that we are connecting people that have never seen connectivity before. So it's the launch of social inclusion, of economic inclusion for all of these people. And it actually is probably the most soul-appeasing effort that we want to do. So on this, thank you very much. Merci pour l'opportunité.
Merci beaucoup, and thank you very much for being one of our Franco-American candidates. Among this jury, okay, 3 candidates till the end of this pitching session. Here on track, are you here on track? Here on track? Yes, he's there. Hello, Luke. That's your turn, and you got 90 seconds.
Hello, guys. So 45 billion euros. 45 billion euros is the amount of money which is lost every year because of tools which are lost, not maintained, and not well found out, I would say, on the construction industry. So Aerontech is a startup active in post-product. We are basically doing a full solution which includes this little 2 euro size sensor, allowing you to geolocate any of the construction tools or make any construction work. We are looking for 700,000 euros to go faster. We already have 22 customers. We just sold our first customer in Germany. We have different applications into the construction industry, including the glass industry and so on. So definitely, if you want to join us, you're welcome. As an investor, or as a great developer.
Thank you very much, Luke. 2 candidates till the end of this session. Thank you so much. I'm now calling Wave Bay AGC. That's your turn, ladies and gentlemen. A warm applause for our next candidate. Yes, very warm. Where is the one? Thank you very much. Okay, that's the time. Okay, I'll be the timekeeper. Go ahead.
Okay.
Yes, we do.
Okay, so good morning, everybody. I'm Bernard Monville from Wave by GC. Wave by GC is an internet startup from a glass company. And today, my challenge is to show you the invisible. How to show the invisible. So, you know that with the 5G deployment and all the deployment in the network, it will be going on the line of the network. If you do not like to see ugly antenna everywhere, we have a solution for you. And I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but this is what we have developed. It's a transparent antenna, stealth antenna. We are using antenna invisible. You can the approach to deploy in the this antenna can be multi-frequency, so it depends on all 5 frequency. It can be for 5G, 4G, 5G. It can be also for Wi-Fi. It can be used for audio coverage, it can also be used for indoor coverage or outdoor coverage.
This is a design antenna. This is basically something that's this antenna is also to use on the facade to go through the plants. And for this, we have also designed and defined a technology to go through insulated glazing, where we are not losing the properties and the energetical properties of the glazing. So if you are interested by this transparent antenna, glass antenna, please, I'm really available for you. And we are on the Belgian pavilion here in the Mobile World Congress.
Okay, thank you very much. And don't forget to connect on the blue button. Thank you very much. I don't know if Tucana can be with us today. I know they had problems with the plane. I'm not sure they won't take part. Tucana, no? Okay, guys, so I think now it's time to go to the venue. Oh, they can Can I have the song? We are connected with 19 countries. Okay, we're going to finish in 5 minutes. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. So that's our last pitching session. Okay. Yes, you can do it. Okay.
Okay, I'm going to talk about Rufus, which is a system that can constantly measure the emission for RF in every wireless line. So you also can do it for building construction for legal compliance. It's 24/7, and you can always look into the reports. It's auditable, and it can be used for legal compliance, so that you don't have lawsuits against your site and it's working there. That's it.
Okay, that's very thank you very much. Okay, I think we are short on time. Do you have some question for any of the candidates of this session? Yes, one, Christian. Yes, for the antenna. Okay, one question for you. Okay, come on.
I would like to know today if you have
Yes, so this camera, we have this antenna, we are now in the commercial phase of this antenna. So it has been deployed already in Japan with the most important operator in Japan, and we have some press release, so we can speak about this with the common. We are implementing now also in Europe.
Thank you very much. Some of the question. Okay, I think now it's time to finalize the voting right now. Did you send the voting? Did you send finalize the vote? You did too? Okay, dear remote jury members, please finalize the voting session. And in a while, we will know the 3 major candidates able to be promoted all over the world. But let me remind you that for any 11 candidates, you have been, come on, I haven't seen you. It's time to, I've seen you for a while, so I know, we don't know from now who's going to be the winner, but we'll see. Yeah. Okay, so David, are you ready for the publication of the winner?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's show who's going to be the top 3, but let me remind you that you will have about solutions. So number 3 is Curlink, number 2 is Sinoc, and number 1 is Wave by AGC. Ladies and gentlemen, please, dear winners, come on stage. Please come to see me for this top 3 winning team. But let me remind you all the, come on here. Okay, one word for this. So you will be connected with Softlanders all over the world. We have media partners that will promote your solution. And of course, you are, for the whole year, a priority opportunity, remote or on stage, to pitch all around the year in Slush, in Web Summit, in CS, as now members of the Winner Club. One word, 10 seconds. Oh, no. Okay.
Very late.
Thank you very much. Under, can we have under, no more sound? Okay. Okay, come on. Under. Okay. First one up. Okay, we are live, guys. Okay, we do hear you right now.
Is it working now? Okay, so thank you very much. It's really nice that you appreciate the antenna, and I hope this will be a better and better business in the future, and that we will be able to support the operator to deploy a 5G network, invisible 5G network in the future.
I'm sure that our smart buildings, every kind of partners belonging to the work group of My Global Village will be definitely interested by a solution. One word, something to add. Okay, it's very respectful, guys.
Yeah, that's very respectful. Thank you guys for the opportunity. I'm really glad to be here. Let me just tell you one word, really important from Sinox. Sinox is going internationally. We are going global, and we are opening our first Sinox Iberica in Valencia. So I'm really proud to open it by the end of semester 2. And we are going international. Thank you for the opportunity to go.
So we have an integrator circle all around the world. So if you want to be connected, start, why not with Germany? Go ahead with Belgium, go ahead, and also if you have to find partners in every region we are operating, even in France, we have an integrator, and of course, final client club. Okay, last but not least, Etienne, one last word to end up this pitching session.
Thanks a lot for the opportunity to be here, to be able to pitch the Curling solution. Thanks a lot also for appreciating this and creating connectivity and low power connectivity.
Okay, thank you very much, guys. That's the end of this day 2 pitching session. But let me remind you that you have received a welcome pack. Guys, this is one of the first gifts. Come on and explain what you're offering to the winner, Laetitia. Come on, here on stage. Okay, just okay, Laetitia. Okay. So thank you very much. It was super for this pitch. And okay, I'm going to translate. We have the pleasure to offer you. It's a learning expedition of 3 days in the territory of Aix-Marseille. Yes.
L'objectif, c'est qu'on puisse vous accompagner pour déployer tout l'écosystème pour chez nous, notamment la partie IoT avec les réseaux. J'ai beaucoup aimé donc on vous invite à venir 3 jours avec des équipes de présentation pour découvrir l'écosystème et pour présenter les partenaires
Ah ben voilà, merci, thank you very much, guys. Thank you, very good job. For the last session of the day. That's all, folks. See you around, and bye-bye for the next session. Bye-bye.